Hello, world of YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, Mitchie here, with another episode of It's Toys and Things. And today's video is going to focus on another piece of Nikki and Isabel's collection. So, if you watched my previous videos, you would know that I went to the American Girl store in DC the day after the twins dropped. And if you're unfamiliar, I'll give you a little quick rundown. American Girl released historical dolls set in 1999. They are twins. They are American Girl's first ever twins, surprisingly. With as much dolls, you would think they would have at least another set of twins, but this is American Girl's first ever twins. They are set in 1999, and of course, I had to get them because I was just really excited for a 90s collection. Didn't think it was going to come out so soon, and I definitely don't think it's that long ago, but it is what it is, and here we are. So besides picking up the girls, or the both dolls, the accessories, and a couple pieces of the collection, well, these are those two pieces. This is all I got so far. I do plan on getting some more of their collection. Not all of it, because I don't 100% like everything, but I definitely will get some more of their collection. So if you watched the previous video, which I believe is this, I opened up the Pizza Hut bucket set. This was a #1 grab on my list. The first thing I had to grab, even before I grabbed the dolls, I grabbed this. Love this set. Watch my video on that as a full unboxing and review. It's just awesome. I can't say anything more about this set. So next thing I got is their pets. So yeah, so Nikki and Isabel both have pets, a cat and a dog, and this is a 2-pack of small pets. Now, I did see these pets in store. I was able to touch them and everything on display. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and get them because I believe in their stories, in their story, they got to pick out their pets for a Hanukkah gift because these are Jewish twins. So yeah, let's just go ahead and open up this 2-pack of pets. Oh, and by the way, it retails for $34, and I guess in the American Girl world of things, to get 2 pets for $34 is about even, or not bad, I suppose. So I have not really dug into these yet. If you're unfamiliar with my unboxing videos, I go ahead and I open the package so you guys don't have to see me struggle with that, and then I dig in, but I don't really dig in until I'm filming, so that way everyone gets to see and hear my first reaction. So I went ahead and cut the tape, and I got it open because these boxes sometimes can be a struggle to open. So let's just go ahead and dig in. Oh, so the first thing we have here is the cat. So let's pull him or her out. I don't know their names. Actually, no, it just doesn't even actually give their names. Maybe in the little packet in there it does. I haven't read their story yet, so I probably have to do that. Or maybe, like it says in a little pamphlet. These pets are small, but they are super cute, like, and super soft. They're not, you know, cheaply made. See her nose? Her nose is actually, his or her nose, I don't know if it's a boy or girl, is actually stitched on. Cute pink nose. Cute little threads for whiskers. Can barely see her eyes. I'm trying to move some fur out of the way so we can see the eyes a bit better. There we go. A little bit better. If we can see the eyes there. So cute tail, very long tag as per usual. I know a lot of people cut these off, but I don't, because I just don't want to like destroy or damage it. Not that I would, but it's annoying, but it is what it is. So again, these are small. These are not posable pets. They don't have a lot of weight to them, like other American Girl pets do. I only have like 1 American Girl, maybe 2. Yeah, I have 2 because I have Corinne's dog. And then I have that rainbow kitty that's like really awesome. But this one's super cute. Very cute on the colors. The way it looks. It's a very cute kitty. Still with a lot of fur around its eyes. Yes, very cute kitty. I have to find out the name of these once I read the story. So yeah, I wish you guys could feel this in person. He does have like, I can feel like beans in him, like a bean bag, but not like loosey goosey, if you know what I mean. Like firm, but I can feel the beans in there. So yeah, let's put Mr. Kitty aside. We'll put him over here, and then let's dig into get the dog. Now this dog, wow, oh my God, this dog is so cute. The eyes, or I'm sorry, the ears on this dog, really, really cute. Let's get a close up. Wow, super cute. Again, nicely made, not cheapy. Um, Oddly enough, I don't feel the beanbag substance in this one. This one just feels like stuffing. No beanbag substance, ears. Yeah, you can clearly see the eyes on this one. Cute little tail. Again, long tag. Annoying, but what can you do? If you don't like cutting it, you're just gonna have to deal with it. So, yeah, I would say this is more like a little puppy. I know this is like they're this is not supposed to be like fully grown. They're supposed to be, you know, a kitten and a puppy that they picked up from the shelter. So, he has a cute little black stitched nose. So I would say he's a little more like what, maybe a chocolate lab mix, and this was maybe some kind of calico cat. Yeah, they're super, super cute. So there's really not too much to these, so this is going to be a quick video, but I just wanted to go ahead and open them up and show them off. Um, yeah, not bad. This one's tail is made to stay in that position. This one's a little fluffer nutter here. It was very, very cute pets. So let's get the pamphlet out. Maybe the pamphlet tells us what name. So the pamphlet that's inside the box, like that, and it does give a little story. Actually tells you how to draw, it shows you how to draw a kitty and a puppy, and it says, during Hanukkah, Isabel and Nikki each received two amazing gifts, a brand new journal and the chance to adopt a pet. Isabel names her new kitten Buffy, and Nikki names her chocolate lab Blossom. The girls can't wait to sketch their new furry friends in their journals. Okay, so that answered that question. They do have names. So, this is Buffy, the kitten, and this is Blossom, the chocolate dog. Obviously, these are named after 90s shows. If you're unfamiliar, Buffy from Buffy the Vampire Slayer, very, very popular 90s show, and Blossom from Blossom TV show, also very, very popular 90s show. So then on the pamphlet, it just shows you how to doodle and draw the kittens and puppies. And then it talks about reading their journal, so you would get more of their story. And then here's another little cute picture right there. It says snuggle, fetch, and sketch in their pajamas. Let's see what else. And that's it. And in the back just has your normal American Girl jilly jabs. But yeah, so that's it for that. I like it. It's a cute little addition to have. So I'll put that back in its box. And then I'll probably leave these two out for the time being because they're super cute and they're super adorable. So all in all, I would definitely say get this set because I feel that they have to have their pets. So like if I'm going to be picky and choosy about what I get in a doll's whole collection, and obviously you may not be able to get it all or afford it all, you know, obviously these things are expensive. So I always get the dolls, the accessories, their pajamas, and if they have a pet, their pets. Because I figure they need their basic core part of themselves as the doll, especially if they have their own stories, like these girls have their own stories. So they need that. So at least their accessories, their pajamas, their pets, and a couple of smaller items from their collection or more clothes that come in their collection. So, you know, if you can't afford any of the bigger pieces in their collection, they at least need their core things, which is pajamas, pets, um, maybe some more outfits that maybe come, and whatever else that you can afford or want to get. Because I actually don't like all of their collection. I really thought that when American Girl came out with 90s dolls, that I was going to buy it all up like I did Courtney. I have every single piece in Courtney's collection, every single thing. Big ticket item, the whole nine. For these, I won't even be getting a big ticket item. It's some big play set where they skate and stuff. I don't need all that, nor do I have the room for it. So I actually have to be pick and choosy, and I don't like a couple of their clothes, either their sporting outfits. I don't like them. I don't care for the tennis one, and I don't care for the skating one too much. So, but the computer set, I definitely want. But as far as their core things that I think that they need to have, that would obviously be their pajamas and their pets, and a couple other outfits that they can change into. So, yeah, all right. So I think that about sums it up for this video. I would highly recommend these because, like I said, these are a part, at least in my opinion, to be a part of their core collection. Like, if I was a doll and, you know, I have pets, like, I want you to buy me, and then you got to buy my pets too. Like, you know, come on, there's like a core part of me, right? So, yeah, so, and that's my opinion. $34, the price, you know, we're talking American Girl here. Although you get the two pets, but honestly, I could say this being $25, maybe 12 each. I don't think that's a bad price. So $25 the most. But like it's in, this is American Girl, and you know we're gonna shell out the money for it. So $34 it is. But yeah, I would definitely recommend them. Like I've said already, price point in. But yep. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, just check out the Pizza Hut Book It set review I did. I was really, really impressed with that, and I really think that was worth the price when I did the review on that. But yeah, so let me know if you guys have these pets, if you're planning on getting these pets, or if you even plan on getting the dolls themselves. Let me know down in the comments, and I don't just say that just to, you know, for the algorithm. I actually do like chatting and talking down in the comments with everyone. I answer all comments. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!